California's colleges and universities will be required to start the new school year with distance learning, if the counties in which they're located don't have the coronavirus pandemic under control. And even campuses that do reopen will look very different, compared to this time last year. The California Health and Human Services Agency issued the interim guidance Friday afternoon, August 7th, as colleges and other institutions of higher education plan to resume in-person instruction. It's critical that campuses make modifications to reduce risk, State Epidemiologist Dr. Erica Pan is quoted as saying in an agency news release announcing the guidance. This guidance aims to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 among our students, families, and the communities where they study. The new restrictions are similar to rules announced for K-12 schools in July. Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside and San Bernardino counties remain on the state's coronavirus watch list and would need to see declining infection rates for more than 2 weeks before their colleges and universities could resume indoor classes. Counties must see infections fall for 14 days before they can be removed from the state watch list. Then, the new collegiate guidance requires counties to stay off the watch list for 3 days in a row before colleges and universities located there could host classes indoors. Specialized classes that take place indoors, such as labs and studios, can be used, as long as the space allows for substantial physical distancing. Campuses must also comply with state rules on face coverings, which include wearing them while inside a public space or while in line to go into a public building, while working where food is prepared or packaged for the public, while working in or walking through common areas or in any space where it's impossible to be physically distanced from people outside one's household. In addition, campuses must positive COVID-19 test results must be reported to local public health officials, who may order partial or total closures of a college or university. Collegiate sports also face special restrictions, Gov. Gavin Newsom warned in the release that, should the NCAA or other sports governing bodies not provide adequate protections for student athletes and their families, the state could impose additional restrictions. In the absence of guidance, California's colleges and universities had been making decisions on their own about what the 2020-21 school year would look like. In May, the California State University System announced that its 23 campuses would start the year online. Timothy White, chancellor for the Cal State University System, said in a Friday statement that California's guidelines align with system plans. Most classes in the system, which has campuses in Fullerton, Northridge, Long Beach and San Bernardino, will be online.